Finally, Adiba says, I have heard that yawning is prohibited when you're praying because that's from shaitan. But it happens mostly with me that I yawn while praying. How can I overcome this? Or is it okay? And is my salat, is my prayer valid if I yawn? This was the instruction of the Prophet ﷺ. The Prophet said, ﷺ, when one of you is praying and has the urge to yawn, he has to suppress it as much as possible. How do you suppress yawning? Some scholars say that you bite your lower lip so that you don't open your mouth and yawn freely. And the Prophet said, if one was overwhelmed, I have this urge to yawn and I cannot suppress it, then he should cover it with his hand. He should cover his mouth with his hand. So this has no impact, none whatsoever on your prayer, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.